Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive with the case today. We'll start with the S&P 500. We are at a very critical point, 591.83. That's the resistance. So we'll wait for the market to take the direction. We'll not be trading anything on S&P 500 today. If you look at this 59, and right now we are trading at 591.67. 591.83 is the resistance. If you look at this price point and look at this Marubozu awareness rejection, this fractal rejection, this rejection right here. So multiple time, if I draw the box for you, you'll see. So we are at a very critical point. Since we are going upward, we are in an uptrend. So this is the resistance area for us. So we'll not be taking any trade today. We'll wait whether the market will continue to 613 or there will be a pullback into 563. Market is going upward, leaving the gap on a multiple time frame. So there is a gap here when the market started going up in a wave 3, another gap here, another gap up here. So possibility we are very close to the reversal into wave 4. If you look at wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 3 is always the larger one. So if this is wave 3, we're almost there to make the wave 4 down here, and we're also out of linear regression. So there is a possibility there is a wave 4 starting up anytime. So wave 4 and then continue upward into $618, which will be the wave 5. So we'll avoid trading in this particular area. Bitcoin and S&P 500 both are in undecided, uncharted territory today. So we'll not be taking any trade in this area. Moving forward to Tesla. Tesla, we are trading at 346. We have been waiting for the price target to hit 354 to 370 area. This area that we are looking for. We are continue to be bullish, and we have a lot of unusual option data for the bullish for 370 area we saw on the chart. And then there is another bullish trade happening on the unusual option data for 440 area. Our price target upside is 414.97. This is the area we are looking at. This fractal right here, the rejection, which was the previous rejection, and this long shooting star, if you see here. So this is our max we are looking at. And if unusual data says that people are targeting or the funds are targeting 440, definitely they are looking in this area, 414 area. So what range we are looking on Tesla? We are looking for 313.97 to 414.91. So this is the range we are looking at. We are in wave of 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll continue to be bullish right here in this area before we have a small pullback. Maximum we can pull back into 313.97 before we hit 414. And this, the region here for the pullback is also the region of S&P 500 being uncertain area. So this wave 4 and then wave 5, 414 area, and we'll exit all the trade in this area of Tesla. Moving forward to UNH, we have successfully captured the bottom yesterday, 251.80. We shorted the $250 put. We are in solid profit this morning. The price is trading at 282 now. Solid profit. We'll continue holding this trade. Where UNH is going is this is the price target, 438.50. This is what we are looking at. This sell side order block right here, which will work as an SR interchange. So we'll continue holding our trade on UNH until 438.50. So we'll cut down most of our position in this area. Maximum we can hold for 502. No trade at all after 502.62. 200 EMA rejection from downside. And if this happens, at least the 50% off pullback we'll be looking at. So from 250 to 500 and again drop into 370, 350 area. There will be a solid pullback after this rejection, because this is not going to $600 easily. Because when some company get into allegations and all, it takes time. They comes back always because DOJ and all this thing, over the time they fade away, but it takes time, like 6 months or 8 months, something like that. So we are looking for 438 out, all trade, wait for the pullback in 370 area, then take the next trade, which will be our first lower high, higher low, like this area. So continue here, pull back in this area, and then make the wave 3 into 500 to 550 area. So all trade exit 538.50, then re-enter at repeat the trade at 370, exit all trade at 520, this area, and no more trading on UNH. Continuing to NVDA, we are bullish on NVDA. We have been last couple of videos we have covered that we are waiting for 139. 139.93. This is the area that we are looking at. This previous lower high. This is the area. So there is no rejection right at this point, 136, 132. There is no rejection. We have already crossed the SR interchange. This red box you see coming from here, we are above this. So we are bullish. We also have all the EMA positive cross right here. So the stock will continue into 139.93. After that, it will be undecided area right here, 139. Then we'll see breakout of this one will call us 151, 152 area. Rejection of this one will fall us back into 115.10 area. So this is wave 3, wave 4 down 200 EMA, continue wave 5. So we are bullish on NVIDIA. We'll continue look for 139.93 before we decide what need to be done. We are holding our position on NVDA/X, and we'll continue holding that. Someone has requested in the comment box to cover on CELH. CELH is bullish overall. So I'll give you the range, quick range, what we are looking at on CELH. Our entry was somewhere about $26.80. We made enough money on this one. We are out of the trade. Some of us are holding the trade with merit put. Some of us are holding with the covered call as well for 20th of June and 7th of July. So there is this trend line, very interestingly. This is what you need to watch here. This resistance right here, another point, the third point right here. If this rejected, so we are particularly in a watch out area today or Monday. A rejection here will call it fall back to 30.97 right in this area, right at this point. So this area, 30.97. Any rejection here will bring it back to 30.97. And if it comes to $30.97, we'll be going all in that area, 31 area. We are a buyer. Upside, we are looking for, first price target we are looking for after breakout of this resistance. Most likely today, you will see a breakout here, or maximum on Monday. So if it break out, the first price target you're looking for 42.67. And if you're a long-term investor on CELH, then you are looking for $65.27. So continue holding your position here. However, in our group, we are holding with the merit put. We are open on the upside, let it run upside, because the revenue in the summer generally in energy drink and drink company goes higher. So the company will have a better revenue for the next quarter, and the stock will continue. It's a recovery play. This is not like any other stock like Amazon and all. So this is a recovery play. We knew it right here in 26 when we had the first positive angle that, okay, we are going to, I have always been $60 price target on CELH since day one. Our buy was right here, this first positive angle. Once we saw this spike and the gap here, this gap, the price came down to fill the gap, and we knew it, okay, it's going way higher. So 42.67, we are looking for the first price target. After 42, we are looking for long-term 65.27. So if you are in a position, 42.67, add some merit put on the position, so you'll be protected from any sell-off on a short term. Long-term 65.27, you're good to hold this stock. So moving forward to coin. Coin, we are looking at $211 pullback. So we have a bearish harami right here. You see that? That's not a good sign of this particular candle. So we are in a pullback area. Most likely situation is this gap, mitigate this gap right in this area at 200 EMA. So pull back into 211 and continue to 301.81. So and we are a buyer at 211.62 and 301.81. We are the seller. So our Conal position will be holding for 301.81. Short-term pullback we'll ignore because we'll continue holding because we are in a spread, so it doesn't really matter. Conal spread we have, if this drops to 211.62 at 200 EMA rejection, at the rejection of 200 EMA, we'll be closing the spread, we'll split the trade and book the profit on the short call. Continue holding the long call for 301.81 recovery. Wix is falling again, still holding this. What I'm looking at, the first positive, higher low right in this area, and our price target is 29.70. I'm looking for the Wix to shoot up. The volatility ahead in the market, because market has been green for last couple of days, which is like 10 to 15 days now. And the market has to have a volatility. A lot of swing need to happen in the market before continuing upward. Moving forward to Bitcoin. Very strange pattern, very strange behavior is being observed here. So what is happening right here, if you look at, I'll zoom the candle for you and you'll understand. So what's going on here? When we see the big body like this one, That's known as the holding volume, means someone is buying and holding their position. What is going on here is most likely last 5 to 6 days, you see that the price is 103, 104, 103, 104, 103, 104. That's like $1,000 up, down, up, down, up, down. It's continuously been going on for candle. It's a daily candle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's an inverted squawk. The price is in the squeeze. So bigger candle, smaller, 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 and continuing. So price is in squeeze. But what is happening here? Nobody is buying and holding. It's all scalping candle. People are scalping in this area. Big time scalping going on. So we will wait on Bitcoin. Any trade, we are not taking any trade. We are not shorting the Bitcoin related stock. We are not taking a long position here. This is not the time to trade Bitcoin. Wait for this squawk, this area, the squeeze to break out. And there will be a big breakout. Either it will be upside or downside, because this is very uncertain area. Nobody in the world or in this planet knows what will happen, because there is these candle itself is uncertain candle. It's like undecided candle. No one knows what will happen. But yes, the following candle, whatever the direction we form, a big candle following these candle will be the direction of the trade. If this breakout upside, we are looking for 9,953. Downside, I'm looking for $97,000. And if we fail to hold 97,000, this is crucial point here. A lot of people are betting on Bitcoin to fall into 87 area, and they are not wrong. Let me tell you what is happening here. Why they are looking at 87, particularly $87,000. First, there is a 200 EMA right here. Second, it's undecided. And if you look at this bigger picture right here, it's a kind of a cup being formed right from this candle to this candle. There is a cup, and most people believe that if there is a cup, means there will be a handle. And handle formation will bring it down 50% of the depth of the cup, which is right at this area, 0.5 Fibonacci retracement and 200 EMA rejection. That's why the people are targeting 87 downside. So current range, what we are looking at, $97,000 to 109,953. That's the range I'm looking at. If it fails to hold 97,948, straight $87. Nothing will stop it to fall to $87,000. But yes, once it falls to $87,000, you're looking at a big bounce into 120, 130 area. If it comes here, what will happen? A liquidity grab right here. The institution like MSTR, like all the Bitcoin related companies like IBIT, GBTC, they'll be ready to buy the Bitcoin in this area. They have an unlimited cash supply. So this is the area that will be interested. Once the liquidity, this is the area of liquidity grab at 200 EMA, and then continue. What will happen once we have this? So similarly, you can look for this area, the depth of the cup. This is what we are looking at. Once we have $87,000, pull back, it's straight going into $130,000. It's not going to stop, because that will become the next wave. So one right here, 87,251, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So if I show you how it will work, this is how it will work. And something like this. So if this drop here form the handle of the cup straight into 130,000, that will be the next destination. So we'll be monitoring. I'm not looking to take any trade on Bitcoin or Bitcoin related stock, because unless this area is clear, the squeeze is clear and we have a clear direction. So till then, I'll be waiting, observing the next particular candle. I need a big fat candle, either side, doesn't really matter which side. If it's a big green candle, we are going up. If it's a big red candle, we are going down. Nothing will stop. If I'll show you the previous consolidation right here, this was the area, similar area. You see that price spin continue, undecided. How long it was undecided? For a couple of days, almost about 10 to 15 days right here, before making a big move. And this is what something similar is happening. So few days undecided, and then there's a big move coming. We don't know which direction. Nobody knows on this planet what will happen. But yes, the first candle on the holding volume will decide the direction. So downside, we are looking 97. Upside, we are looking 109. Fail to hold 97, we are looking for 87. If it dropped to 87, I'm a big time long buyer. We'll be taking a long position in 87 area and hold all the way to 139, 135 to 139 area. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any question, you can put in the comment box and I'll reply at 10:30 after the first hour of the market. And if you want me to cover any other stock, you can put in the comment box the ticker symbol and I'll add into Monday pre-market briefing. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye.